Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. On today's video, keeping up with the May 4th theme and Star Wars theme, we're going to do a Yoda inspired drink called Drink Me, You Will, in my Yoda voice. Anyway, this is going to be a cocktail that we do in a shaker. And we're going to start off with a ½ ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. We're going to go 1½ ounces, that's a spoon, 1½ ounces of Calvados, which is like an apple brandy. If you don't have it, you can use Applejack if you have that instead. But we're going to go 1½ ounces. We're going to go ½ ounce of a sage simple syrup, right? You know how to make simple syrup, 1 part sugar, 1 part water, heat it up, dissolve the sugar. But with this though, you add some sage leaves and let it sit overnight. Strain it out the next day, give it a good 24 hours, and you get this nice green hue sage simple syrup. We're only going to do ½ ounce of sage simple syrup. We're going to go 1 ounce of apple cider. Not apple juice and not a hard cider, just a regular apple cider. We're going to go 1 full ounce. Last, we're going to add 6 basil leaves. I do have fresh basil outside, but I don't have 6 leaves on it. 1, 2, and this is going to help with the green hue. All right. So next we're going to shake it. Shake it real good because you're trying to break up the basil. Oh, you smell all this too. Next, also I had ice in the shaker. I just didn't say that. I did it pre. I'm gonna strain it into our Coupe glass. There you have it. Drink me, you will. With all the savory components of this, with the sage, simple syrup, the basil, this is well balanced and put together really nicely. Maybe not the green I was thinking it would be, but either way, it's a very lovely drink. Anywho, may the 4th be with you. Till next time, cheers.